Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have a little midweek haul, some Walmart and some Walgreens, and we're going to talk about Walgreens right off the bat. And I made a video, I think on Monday, about that L'Oreal Revitalift, and I went and did my deal. Walgreens system was down for part of Monday and then like a bit of Tuesday, but it worked for me yesterday, Tuesday afternoon, where I got this whole haul for free. And we'll talk about that in a quick second. You could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big thumbs up. Really helps out my channel and it would make Gizmo so happy. He's taking a nap now. He's not doing a lot of couponing this afternoon, but please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so the first store that we're at is Walgreens. Online, the L'Oreal Revitalift, this specific brand is buy one get one 50% off at $27.99. In store is the exact same price. So we are going to utilize the 9 back when you spend $40, and you can do that when you do this in store. Online, sadly, you can only use one digital booster, so we're going to utilize that, so grabbing 2 of them. These are the digital coupons that you have to load, and hopefully you have the same as I. We have a $10 off of one. This is a very generous coupon. We also have this $8 off, so they're the only for you. So if you've been buying skincare with me, you probably should have the same ones. And then this IVC, which is a $5 off of each. This is a Walgreens coupon, stands for Instant Value Coupon. We call them IVCs, but it's a Walgreens coupon. This will reduce down the basket of $40. It's going to make it like 30 something. So I'm going to have to add something else to use that spend 40, get back 9 booster. So this deal I absolutely love. It is with the Toms of Maine. They're $4.99 this week. The original price is $6.79. That's an expensive toothpaste. When you buy one, you get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So that is really fantastic. $1.99 for this fanciness. We also have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. So let's utilize that in the mix. So the 2 boosters that we're going to use include the 9 back when you spend $40. This came out of the Catalina machine for me. And I also had a digital booster, which is $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25. I normally don't do this. I usually type it out, but I'm going to show you the receipt because there was so much confusion with things not working out on Monday. People are going to say, oh, the system's still not working. It was working for me yesterday afternoon. Okay, so 2 of the L'Oreal Revitalifts on a BOGO 50% off, $27.99, $13.99, subtracting $10. So to use that, spend 40, get back 9, I would be not even close. So that's why we add 2 Toms of Maine for $9.98. So my total now after the IVC savings is $41.96. Close enough to 40 for me. So now the digital coupons that came off. So I got the cashier to scan my booster. I had all these coupons loaded along with my digital booster. And this is what came off: the $10, the $8, the $3. Boom, boom, boom. So with my debit card, I paid $20.96 plus tax. And then I got back $21. $15 for the boosters, and then $6 for the Toms of Maine, essentially making this free. So that's really a superb deal. Loving this. If you can line it up and you love this fancy skincare by L'Oreal, make it happen. And hopefully we all get higher value L'Oreal coupons. They seem to be popping up a lot, so it's really nice to see. Now, this is kind of a gross slide. This is a preview for next week. 2 for $30 for the Poise pads. And it says 27 right there. So it's not like, a bag with like 6,000 pads. But that is really expensive. When did it become so expensive over at Walgreens? I did find some on clearance for 90% off. These were $18.99 down to $1.89. We have $1.50 digital. So I paid 39 cents for this. So if you need Poise pads, you might want to look through clearance or even the regular aisle and then see if stuff is marked down. Get the cashier to scan it for you for a price check. You might be surprised if stuff is on clearance because 2 for $30, I've never seen them that high. Stuff must be made out of gold or something like that. And before we leave Walgreens, look at this $1.29 hand sanitizer. And these are the 2 ounces. 2 ounces of hand sanitizer, 49 cents. I really think they should just give this away for free for customers because especially hand sanitizer expires. But what are they thinking? It's so expensive. Okay, the last store that we're at is Walmart, and I just went through the clearance section and opened up the coupons.com app and IBOTTA and just started scanning my happy little self. And I'm just trying to find stuff on clearance with a good rebate and trying lining it up as a moneymaker or a freebie, and I got all of these items for free. So the first item that we have is this Polydent toothbrush. So I think if you have dentures, this would give them a really nice scrubbing. It was 50 cents, and on coupons.com we have $2 back, so it made it free plus a $1.50 moneymaker, and I'm all about that. Here's the UPC. It was in the clearance section for a while, and you could see some makeup touched it. Somebody was playing with the makeup in the clearance section. Here's our makeup. We have some CoverGirl for $1. I think the original price for this is $5.97. It's just some loose powder. Coupons.com again is giving back $2, so it makes this free plus a $1 moneymaker. The rebate for IBOTTA is at Walgreens only for the CoverGirl. And here is the UPC. Don't be shy. You can always donate this too, even if it's not your color. And then the last deal, the only reason why I even looked at this was because there was a Christmas sticker on it. And I was like, oh, that's interesting. So this was $5.29. IBOTTA is giving back $4, so it dropped it down to $1.29. Unfortunately, I could not find a rebate on coupons.com to go with. But for $1.29 for a product that's upwards of like $14-15 for these refill cartridges, and this is the one that I use, yeah, I'll totally use it. And this was in the clearance section for a while. Look at all the makeup on it. So yeah, somebody was playing a makeup party with this razor. This also popped up today on coupons.com. If you pick up one of these Mega Reds for $9.88, it's a omega-3 supplement. Find it in the vitamin section. Coupons.com is giving back $10, so it would make that totally a freebie. Okay, guys, before I take off, I made a YouTube short yesterday about this sample pack found on a Dawn dish soap. So this is a new product by Cascade, so they want more consumers to try it. So they have this little sample pack. It doesn't say sample free with purchase, but it's implied because it's tethered with a little elastic band found on different dish soaps and detergents, blah, blah, blah. What would you do? What would you do? Because this isn't a product for sale. It's a sample. The majority of you said absolutely not. Like, unless you're buying the product, you are not touching or even looking at this, leaving it. And that's, you know, I would say about 80% of the comments, people like just leaving it in the store. Now, here's the thing. With the amount of cameras in that section of the store, I am not touching it either because I don't want to get in trouble. However, I think by Sunday, my prediction, the average Joe, the average shopper, they will start taking one or two. Or just one or whatever. They'll be curious. And by probably this weekend, there will be nothing left. I think the manufacturer should have taken some tape, like that clear tape, and then taped it to the product, not just this little elastic, because they will all be gone. I've seen it before, but I haven't seen a product like this in a really long, a sample like this in a really long time. So yeah, kind of interesting. If you want to read through those comments, very, very interesting. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.